circumstances still hasn't turned this into value. So while we are asking...
I was absolutely astonished this morning at the depth of his knowledge and the way he put it across in such a succinct way.
He clearly knows his stuff. He's demonstrated that today. Some many useful tips that I've picked up, so very helpful.
What I've been doing sort of like all these years is it's just been turned on its head.
Well, I mean, I'm absolutely enjoying today. I found it very thought-provoking. I learned a lot of practical tips and sort of a really sort of pragmatic approach to dealing with the sales conversation.
Absolutely excellent seminar. I enjoyed the way it was presented.
The main thing I've taken away from value from this seminar is that I'm focusing on value.
I think it's going to be useful to almost every business owner that I know.
You must let the prospect articulate the value themselves. If they can't tell themselves, they can't tell you.
It's going to be a great help to us, make us more profitable and get the money that we deserve for the good job that we do.
There's a number of things that David said that I hadn't considered before, which we can apply directly to our business and give us a chance of hopefully getting some better contracts as a result.
Sure, we have immense value, and I look forward to gaining the great fees that David promises using his techniques.
By now you understand so much about the problem, the circumstances surrounding the problem, the value of fixing the problem. There's a great temptation to start fixing it. Don't.
It's also going to help me sort of talk in terms of value with my clients so they fully appreciate what it is that I'm bringing to them. The result of what I've learned today has changed the way that I do my business forever.
It was really excellent. Blew me away.
I think David did an absolutely perfect job. Highly recommended. Absolutely.